Hello and welcome to English with Rick. This is a lesson about slowing down videos on YouTube. Let's start off with two phrasal verbs, slow down and speed up. To slow down means to decrease the speed of something. Speed up means to increase the speed of something. And this lesson is about slowing down videos on YouTube if the speaker is speaking too quickly for you to comfortably understand. On your PC to slow down a video, in the lower right corner, click the Settings button. Next, click the speed that you would like the video to play at, as an example 0.5 or half speed. Next, play your video, and it should be at half speed. In a sentence like, I am a student, on your phone, tap the Settings button. It's in the top right corner. Then, tap the Playback Speed option in that menu that opens. Next, drag the speed slider to 0.5 or half speed. Now, you can play your video, and it should be at half speed. Enjoy your slowed down videos here on the English with Rick channel and any video on YouTube. Have a good one.